Today we are back at my first permission, the granary. It's been quite a while since the last time that we paid this place a visit. Not a lot of pigeons left at this place. You might say it's already clean. Weather is nice. Temperature is 35-40 degrees Fahrenheit. We saw some corvid at this place, perching on one of the trees. I think we'll be able to score some nice shots with them. These two are pretty easy to locate. Here's one of them. Right over there is the other. That's the one that splashed down in the pond. I have to find something to take the carcass out. This guy drifted close to the corner. It will be easier to take him out of the water. There used to be some tools lying around. Shovels, for sure. I don't see any now. I didn't find a shovel, so this is gonna have to do. Okay man, I'm gonna need your assistance. Put the gun on the portable stool. Oh, this is not going to be as easy as I thought. Almost there. Oh. Okay, finally. Oh, she's in a hurry today. There you go. You got some targets. Oh, we'll get him next time. They came back. They didn't land there. They landed up there. Now, seagulls really don't like raptors, but I think that in this case, this is what all the fuss was about. Maybe this kestrel killed this pigeon and the seagulls wanted a piece of it. The kestrel perched right over there at that tree. This one went straight down. The entry wound is right here in the middle of the heart and lung area. It was a humane shot, but what's surprising is the exit wound. 90 degrees to the side, not in the back. Just a little bit of hold under. Straight down. A collared dove. This one's gonna go straight in the pan. After I get home, of course. This is supposed to be cleaner, and I can tell you, they taste much better than feral pigeons. Won't say no to another dove. That's 103 meters. There's gonna be a lot of hold over, of course, and I'm also gonna hold for wind. The wind is from the left. Nah, that was a mess. Well, there goes something that you don't see every day. A pigeon hiding behind a used tire. I'm gonna try a headshot. There's gonna be a slight hold under. Oh yes. A valid headshot. Okay everyone, that was it for this shooting session. Thank you so much for watching. Please also like and share this video with your friends, and definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't. This is most certainly the best way to support it. Thank you so much, and see you on the next one.